for reading books, which is for reference of the book, and this is a website blog of Hindi version. In this we will be having the details about the talks which are recorded and uploaded here. You can check free of cost. And this is an events column where you can see the events, which are different events happening here. And this is in Wikipedia. This is a version of Wikipedia where you can check the information for you. It's detailed information about subject which you want. And we also have audio visual too, which you can use it. We have recorded talk series. You can sit and listen to that series. Plus we have different subject series. You can listen it. It's definitely free of cost. And we do have photocopiing services. It is ₹1 per page. And we do sell the CDs on different subjects which are kept downstairs on different topics. And we do have duplicate books which are we are selling for 50% discount rate. And this is our advice handbook. In this you can find out all the details from common health problem to chronic problems, when to approach doctor and things like that. And we also have membership. We like to take the books at home. It is 250 yearly membership and 2000 rupees is security deposit. And any doctors would like to give a talk are most welcome to the library.
Qualities he should develop so that he can become an excellent leader. Several qualities are required, and they are required to be developed gradually, slowly, but firmly and excellently. He said that over and above the qualities, you also require mind powers. Unless you develop your powers to influence others with your thoughts and with your actions, you cannot achieve many things in life. I'll give you exercises by which you can develop your powers. The first one is regarding developing your third eye. In Sanskrit, in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, it is called the Ajna Chakra. This chakra. The sixth chakra. That chakra can be developed by certain exercises. I'll give you the details about that exercise so that you can practice that and develop your powers of sixth sense and opening the third eye. Take a white brown paper, thick one, totally white, 14 inches by 14 inches, cut it by in a square, 14 inches by 14 inches. Find out the central place of the board. Exact center. How will you find it? You may say that put a cross line diagonally, but that will spoil the paper. And if the paper is spoiled, then your eyes also will be affected. So best way will be to take a string, two strings, put one diagonally from this end to the other end, and put the other one from the other end. From here to here, here to here, and you will get the center of the paper. When you get the center of the paper, draw a circle. Circle should be 3/8 radius or 3/4 total length from one end to another end. As big as a 8-ana spine, little less than 155. Draw the circle there, exactly in the middle. 3/8 inches radius or 3/4 total. After drawing the circle, fill it up with black color, watercolor. Don't use oil color. Dark watercolor, as black as a telephone instrument or so many other instruments. Totally black. Let it dry up. Also add one paper on the back of the board, because this paper will be pasted by you on a cardboard. Back of the cardboard, attach another paper 16 inches by 16 inches. Paste on the top, half an inch to 3/4 inch. And when you take it on the front side, the total board will be covered. It will be covered by the paper which you have pasted on the back side. This is to avoid any dirt or any spots on the board. When a small spot on the board will affect your eyes. So keep it very carefully, keep it very clean, completely. It should be totally white. If the paper is spoiled, you take another paper. After that, select a place in your house, lonely place, and put the board before you, exactly before your eyes. You may sit on a chair, but don't sit on a metallic chair. You can sit on a plastic chair, wooden chair, cane chair, or you can sit on the ground, but cover it up with wooden board or wooden blanket or wooden shawl, so that there should be no earthing from your body to the earth. If you are sitting on a chair, below your feet there should be wooden board or something which will protect the earthing. No earthing should be there. If the earthing is there, your powers will be taken away by the earth. And what will remain with you will be percentage of what you are acquiring. Sit at a distance of 3 feet and see that no shadow falls on the board. If the light on the back side, your own shadow also should not fall on the board. Keep the light away on this side or that side. And if this light is above you, keep it at the exactly above you, not in front of you. After having said that, look straight to the black spot. Adjust it in such a way that it is exactly just before your eyes in the straight line. Now behind the board, there may be furniture, there may be wall, anything. So cover it up with white chadar. So all around the board there will be white color. Your eyes will cover up to 14 inches. But beyond that also sometimes some blinking will be there. So there should be no disturbance by other color. That's why keep a bed sheet, white bed sheet behind the board. Hang it up. And hang the board in the bed sheet in such a way with a pin or anything so that it comes exactly at the level of your eyes, exactly against it. You should be at a distance of 3 feet from the board. Your eyes and board should have a distance of 36 inches. After having said that, look straight to the black spot, nothing else. Gaze the black spot. Continuously see at it. In the beginning, your eyes may close down after half a minute or so, because you cannot have the habit. But gradually, the time will go on increasing. It may increase to half an hour, even 1 hour, 2 hours also. Depends on how you are able to concentrate. When you concentrate on the black spot, you will be seeing nothing else but the black spot only. When you feel that the eyes are tired, or water is coming out of the eyes, or tears are coming out, or you feel that you should close the eyes for a second and then continue, that's the end of the exercise. With the first blinking, closing of the eyes, whether for quarter second or any time, your exercise is over. After that, close the eyes completely, forget the world,